In this lesson, let's build the rear blades for the helicopter. I'm going to go ahead and select this mesh here and hide everything else. I'm going to focus now on the concept art. I'm going to zoom in on the top view as well. Looks like we have a compartment here that's holding the blade on its left side. So what we can do, we'll go ahead and lock the mesh real quick. Let's build a T-Spline box. We can start it from here, draw it about this far back. And I can pull it out to right about here. I'm going to switch to the polygon mode. There we go. We can use the Rhino scale and go one dimensional this way. And we need to angle these edges. Switch to the vert mode, select these groups, and let's use the move to pull them this way. I need to be able to pull these verts back, so we'll zoom into these verts here. Switch to face mode. Let's select this ring here. I'm going to draw an isocurve. Let's put one here. Hit right click and draw another one right about to there. I'm going to take this group of edges here, slide it to our left. Select this edge, the face ring right here. Insert an edge loop and pull one right on the right side over here. Now we can grab the verts, pull this one in. We'll grab these and pull them in as well. You can take this vert here and slide it in. And let's take this and pull this in as well. There we go. Let's take this one here and pull it back. And do the same with this one. Let's toggle to sub D mode. You can grab these two verts here. Make sure we deselect the ones that are hit by accident. And let's pull these forward so it's a little bit rounded. And we can grab the whole thing right here and pull these back. There we go. Toggle back to sub D mode, polygon mode. We'll select this face and shift select the second one. So we have this ring here. I'm going to draw an edge ring close to this edge. Looks good. And for here, we don't really need it. So looks like I can get rid of this edge ring here. That's good. And we can grab this edge and pull it back. We'll take these two verts here, minus these, and pull it back. Let's take these two in the rear, go to the scale tool and scale it down a bit. And we'll take these and scale them down. We'll do the same with that. And we'll take these two and scale these down as well. Okay, Next up, let's build the blades. We'll go to box. First, we need to figure out where the center point is so we can create a pivot. I'm going to snap to here, which looks like it's the middle. And I'll draw like a radius this wide. We can go to the move tool and just center it a bit. Pull it out and extrude it out right about to here. That's good. And I'm going to cap it. Now that we have a reference point that we can use, we'll draw a circle from that point to right about here. And now I can draw a T-spline square roughly from here. We'll pull it out and give it this width. And let's pull it out. Let's figure the thickness is about this big. I'll select the T-spline and pull it out. Right about to there. I'm going to lock everything else. Toggle to polygon mode. I'll select this ring here, draw an edge loop. Looks like it's starting down here somewhere, so we'll draw a reference point to this corner. So the bend starts right around here. So we can take these verts and pull it down to here. Now we can grab these in the front and pull it back. And we'll take these and pull it back. And grab these and pull these back a bit. Grab these two edges, use the scale tool and pull it in. Then we can grab this edge and this entire edge here and pull it forward to give it some roundness. Then go back to vert mode so we can grab these and pull them in. I can take this, pull it forward, and let's see what happens. Let's retain its sharpness by going to face mode, selecting the ring, going to insert edge, and pull it to this corner. Right click again and drop one at the top. I'm going to grab these edges in the top here and pull it up. Looks good. All right. And finally, let's take some verts here, squeeze them in so it's not so thick. Let's take all these and squeeze them in. Looks like this needs to be a little sharper, so I'm going to draw an edge ring right in here. So, and let's see what happens. That's much better. I'm going to hit right click again and draw an edge ring to the bottom here. Nice. Let's finish it by drawing a cylinder. And let's give it some width. And turn on the gumball and move it in just a tiny bit. I'll scale it in like that. Finally, give it a little bit of chamfer on the corners. I'll go with 0.02. I can go a little more. Let's try 0.1. We'll go back to T-Spline mode and select these verts. Lock everything else. I want to slide these forward a bit, just like that. Now we can take this guy here and we'll do a rotate. Make sure copy set to yes and just drop it 180. We'll take these two fins, rotate it, copy set to no, and I'll rotate it into place. Very nice. Okay, next lesson we will begin working on the tires of the helicopter.